M911 Hotel Echo is 9 miles from Connell. Cross Connell at 3000, cleared RNAV straight in, runway 2 approach at Rocket.
Cross Connell at above 3000, cleared RNAV 2 straight in to Rock Hill. And we got the phone number to cancel on the ground. I don't think we'll be able to cancel in the air.
1 Hotel Echo, ready.
Short approach, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo. You had anyone going to Rock Hill recently?
So what's up?
911 Hotel Echo. You had anyone going to Rock Hill recently?
Nope, but I did have somebody just depart there. You left for base report?
Yeah, base report.
Okay, give me a second. The 1 Hotel Echo, the Phenoms just departed, so they were into the clouds.
Okay, roger that.
All right, guys, what you're going to see today is at this particular point in the video, I'm turning off the autopilot. For some reason, I was having camera and audio issues on this flight, so I'm going to do a voiceover for you and talk you through some of the things that are happening. A few things didn't go exactly as I would have hoped with this approach. One being that Charlotte did not hand me over to the Common Traffic Advisory frequency in Rock Hill until I asked him for it. Even though I was having issues with the audio, I did pull some audio from live ATC to help you get an understanding of what's going on. So Charlotte allowed me to switch over to CTAF. Once I asked for it, yes, I should have done my part, I guess, and asked for it sooner. But as you can see, I'm in full IMC, and I'm just trying to manage what I've got going on in the plane. And at this point, I'm hand flying it, so my workload has increased. But luckily, it was not even marginal VFR today, so there was no traffic at all unless they were talking to Charlotte. So for my non-aviation folks, what I'm focused on so intently inside the cabin at this point and on my instruments is to make sure that I maintain my vertical and lateral guidance so that I don't hit an obstacle, and once I pop out of the clouds, I'm aligned with the runway.
Charlotte approach, 1 Hotel Echo, you want us to stay with you or switch over?
Number 1 Hotel Echo, sorry about that. Ready for some meetings.
So at this point, I'm making a call to let anyone know that's on the frequency that I'm inbound on the RNAV 2 and I'm short final. So basically going to be landing in less than a minute. But luckily, it wasn't even marginal VFR today, so there's no VFR traffic whatsoever. Anyone leaving the field would have had to have been talking to Charlotte Approach, and he wouldn't have cleared anyone for a departure because I was inbound on an instrument approach. So while I've got your attention, I would like to ask a favor. Wherever you're seeing this video, if you would interact with the video in some way, shape, or form, whether it be you like the video, you thumbs up the video, comment on the video, it helps me stay encouraged to do what I do. It does take a lot of effort, time, and quite frankly, some money to make these videos, depending on who's making them. So it might be my content creator or it might be myself, but either way, it's a lot of time and money to make these. And I feel like they help people, so I would love to continue to make the videos and inspire others to go after your aviation dreams or whatever your dreams may be. So help me help you and continue to grow my channel and page and follow along. I don't know how well it's depicted on the video, but I get the runway lighting in sight right around 910, 920 feet and continue on down to land. It was a normal landing. I did land with 50% flaps because once I got the runway in sight, I didn't feel like it would be safe to go ahead and drop to 100% flaps. And the Cirrus is perfectly capable of landing with 50% flaps, especially on this runway. It's just over 5,500 feet, so plenty of runway to spare. You'll also see I let it roll all the way out to the end of the runway. I'm not very big on using brakes when it's not necessary. I like to save the brakes. They are something that costs money. So if they're not necessary, I don't use them. I'm not in any hurry to make the runway and get off by the first taxiway.